Middle Eastern cuisine is a broad term that encompasses Arab, Iranian, Israel, Assyrian, Azerbaijan, Armenian, Georgian, Kurdish, Cypriot, and Turkish foods. While dishes vary between regions, that diets share common features like bright vegetables, colorful fruit, all varieties of nuts, dairy products, and rice. Common ingredients include olive and olive oil, pitas, honey, sesame seeds, dates, sumac, chickpeas, mint, rice, and parsley. And popular dishes include kebabs, dolmas, falafel, baklava, yogurt, doner, shawarma, and mulukiah. People living in Middle Eastern and West Asian countries consume a Middle East cuisine, a unique diet comprised primarily of hummus, falafel, tahini, tabbouleh, baklava, pita bread, baba ganoush, faul, mudames, and lokum. Various meats and vegetables are also included in this diet, which incorporates heavy use of olive oil and a diverse variety of pungent spices. The Middle East is incorporating fertile region, including the land between the Tigris and Euphrates River, as a crossroad between Europe, Asia, the Caucasus, and North Africa. It has been a hub of food and recipes exchange.
The topography is mostly hot and red terrain with a preponderance of desert area. Despite this, there are a number of significant rivers winding through the region. One of the largest rivers in the world is the Nile, which passes through Egypt and dives into the Mediterranean Sea. Two others are the Tigris and Euphrates River, which pass through what is called the cradle of civilization, or Mesopotamia, the land between the two rivers. This passed through Syria, Iraq, and Kuwait before entering into the Persian Gulf. There is little agriculture in the region, but a significant amount of farming line the watershed of the three rivers. Kabsa is an Arab mixed rice dish served on a communal platter that originates from Saudi Arabia. It is commonly regarded as a national dish in all the countries of the Arab Peninsula. These dishes are usually made with rice, usually basmati, meat, vegetable, and a mixture of spice. The spices used in kabsa are largely responsible for its taste. These are generally black pepper, clove, cardamom, saffron, cinnamon, bay leaf, and nutmeg. The main ingredient that accompanies the spice is the meat. The meat used are usually chicken, lamb, and pig.
different regions of Middle East cuisine. First is Lebanese cuisine. Chef chow, kibbeh, baba ganoush, and falafel is the Lebanese cuisine. Lebanese cuisine also have manakis, fatrus, shawarma, and baklava. Egyptian cuisine has fumudasma, kosari, ali, and basbousa. Last but not least is Arabic cuisine. Arabic cuisines have tabbouleh, batata hara, and kibbeh. I would like to talk about general characteristics of Middle East cuisine. The cuisine at this area is very with similar traits as ingredients like olive, honey, sesame seed, mint, chickpeas, and parsley are used in abundance. The specialty of the cuisine of Middle East countries is the use of local herbs and spices. Nutmeg, caraway, cumin, turmeric, parsley, and mint are added flavor to the dishes. Saffron is the most expensive in the world and it is added in many dishes of its flavor and colors. And most of the dishes are vegetarian mixed with olive oil, chickpeas, beans, lentils, and vegetables. And the dish meats are generally made of lamb, chicken, and beef. The people get their protein requirement from cheese, legumes, and yogurts.
Indian cuisine consists of a variety of regional and traditional cuisine native to India. Given the diversity in soil, climate, culture, ethnic groups, and occupations, this cuisine varies substantially and use locally available spices, herbs, vegetables, and fruits. Indian foods is also heavily influenced by religion, in particular Hinduism and Islam, cultural choices and traditions. Indian cuisine has shaped the history of international relations. The spice trade between India and Europe was the primary catalyst of Europe's age of discovery. Spices were bought from India and traded around Europe and Asia. Indian cuisine has influenced other cuisine across the world, especially those from Europe, especially Britain. The Middle East, Southern Africa, East Africa, Southeast Asia, North America, Mauritius, Fiji, Oceania, and Caribbean. Indian cuisine reflects an 8,000 years of history of various groups and cultures interacting with the Indian subcontinent, leading to diversity of flavors and regional cuisine found in modern-day India. Later, trade with British and Portuguese influence added to the already diverse India cuisine. Hindus tend to be vegetarian and Muslims tend to have meat dishes. Indians from the north eat flatbreads like chapati and naan. Southern Indians prefer to eat rice and coconut. Western Indian is more cosmopolitan but is known for its traditional spicy curries. East Indian food relies heavily on rice, meat, and vegetables, prepared simply with yogurt, seeds, and spicy steam and curry.
India is endowed with almost all the important topographical features such as high mountains, extensive plateaus, and wide plains traversed by mighty rivers as it shown in India's topographic map. The country is bounded by Himalaya in the north and has a large peninsular region tapering towards the Indian Ocean. The plateaus are another striking feature of topography in India, and they range in elevation from 300 to 900 meters. Samosa is a deep fried pastry with a spice filling, usually made with potatoes, spice, and herbs. Sometimes these are also made with minced meat. The spices used in samosa are red chili powder, garam masala, cumin, amchur powder, and fennel powder. A perfect samosa should be crispy and flaky with almost no bubble and blister on them.
There have four different regions of Indian cuisine. First is Northern Indian cuisine. These cuisines have samosa, tandoori chicken, and naan bread. Other Northern Indian cuisine is dal or pani mahani, korma, saag pani, and palak pani. Second is Western Indian cuisine. Western Indian cuisine have three main regions. First is Maharashtra, second is Gujarati cuisine, and third is Goa cuisine. And the vindaloo is a traditional Goa dish. Third is Eastern Indian cuisine. Eastern Indian cuisine have rasgulla. Last is Southern Indian cuisine. Korea is the Southern Indian cuisine. They have three common style dishes, each differ in their primary ingredients and degree of liquidity, which are sambar, rasam, and kutus. General characteristic of Indian cuisine. Indian cuisine is highly dependent on curry, which are gravy-like sauce or stew-like dish with meat, vegetable, or cheese, although the particular spicy nature, degree of liquidity, and ingredients are determined by regional preference. Red lentils, Bengal gram, pigeon pea, or yellow gram, black gram, and green gram are used whole, split, or ground into flour in a diverse number of Indian dishes. Indian spicy mix often use upward of 5 different spices, sometimes combining 10 or more. Chili pepper, black mustard seed, cumin, turmeric, fenugreek, ginger, garlic, cardamom, clove, coriander, cinnamon, nutmeg, saffron, rose feather essence, and asafoetida powders are all used frequently in various combinations. Garam masala is a popular spicy mix, cardamom, cinnamon, and clove, with an additional spicy varying according to regions and personal recipe.